In this video, I will show you how to wash a brand new truck. Washing a brand new truck is important to maintain its appearance and protect its finish. Here are some general steps to help you wash your new truck. 1. Gather supplies. Car wash soap, bucket, hose or pressure washer, soft sponge or wash mitt, microfiber towels, wheel cleaner, tire brush, glass cleaner, soft brush for stubborn stains, optional. 2. Choose a suitable location. Wash your truck in a shaded area to prevent the soap from drying too quickly, which can leave water spots. Avoid washing it under direct sunlight. 3. Use a hose or pressure washer to thoroughly rinse the truck, removing loose dirt and debris. Wheels and tires. Apply a wheel cleaner to the wheels and use a tire brush to scrub the tires. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse thoroughly. 5. Prepare the soapy water. Fill a bucket with water and add car wash soap according to the product instructions. Use a dedicated car wash soap to avoid stripping the wax or sealant on your truck. 6. Wash the truck. Dip a soft sponge or wash mitt into the soapy water and wash the truck from top to bottom. Start with the roof and work your way down to the sides and then the lower areas. Start with the roof and work your way down to the sides and then the lower areas. 7. Rinse frequently. Rinse your sponge or mitt frequently in the bucket to remove dirt and prevent scratching the paint. 8. Pay attention to details. Use a soft brush for hard-to-reach areas and stubborn stains. Be gentle to avoid scratching the paint. Be gentle to avoid scratching the paint. 9. After washing the entire truck, thoroughly rinse it with clean water to remove all soap residues. 10. Use a microfiber towel or chamois to dry the truck. Start from the top and work your way down. Drying helps prevent water spots. 11. Use a glass cleaner to clean the windows and mirrors. Make sure to use a cleaner that is safe for automotive glass. 12. If you want to add extra protection and shine, consider applying a wax or sealant according to the product instructions. Remember to follow the specific recommendations in your truck's owner's manual and the instructions on the cleaning products you use. Regular washing and maintenance will help preserve the appearance of your new truck and protect its paint finish. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.